The Honda Passport key fob for 2019-2024 models uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery powers your remote locking, unlocking, panic button, and keyless entry features. When the battery gets low, you'll need to replace it to maintain these functions. A low battery notification may appear on your Honda Link app if equipped in 2024 Plus models or the vehicle's infotainment system. The replacement process is simple and can be done in under 5 minutes with minimal tools. Doing it yourself will save you money compared to going to a dealer. Let's walk through the steps. First, press the release button on the key fob to remove the physical key blade. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the fob casing along the seam where the key blade was. Be careful not to damage the plastic. The 2024 models may have a slight adhesive seal. Once open, note the orientation of the old CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob casing back together until it clicks securely. Finally, reinsert the physical key blade. Test the fob to ensure it's working. In some cases, you might need to reprogram the fob by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position multiple times. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or visit a Honda dealer. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly.